As we all know that we are amidst the pandemic and also witnessing heavy rainfalls in majority parts of India. It's very obvious that children or even adults for that matter tend to fall sick. It's high time that we have certain COVID-19 essentials handy with us as prevention is better than cure. One such COVID-19 essential is the infrared thermometer handgun. Fever is considered to be one of the main symptoms of COVID 19 and it's crucial for us to get a quick check done. Now let's move on to the next segment where I will brief you on the usage and also show you a demo of how infrared thermometer handgun should be used. Now, this is the infrared thermometer handgun in the model DT8806. This particular infrared thermometer handgun is different from other thermometers for two reasons. Firstly, it can take measurements in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Secondly, it not only checks the temperature of body but also measures the temperature of liquid and objects. When I say objects, it can be food as well. Now, let's talk about the designing of the product first. Now, the most important part of the infrared thermometer is the scan head where you scan the temperature for, and this is the battery slot. So you need to put two AAA batteries to run this product. This is the testing key, and here you can see the LED screen and there are four buttons here. This is the backlight switch for the LED screen, and this is the back and forth of the data recorded, of the temperatures recorded in this particular infrared thermometer handgun. This is the mode where you can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now it can take temperature of liquid, body and object, which I'll be showing you demos of. Now let's put in the batteries and see how this particular thermometer works. Now before that, here they have given the range of measurement. So on every thermometer handgun, the range of measurement will be given, that is from 32 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius. So it takes measurements between these. And here they have given the distance from which you need to measure the temperature, that is 5 centimeter to 15 centimeter. Now response time is 1 second and the power information has been given. So this is a simple product but it is very handy. Now let's see how it works. Let's put in the batteries. You need two AAA batteries to run this product. Let's put in the batteries and see how this product works. Now the first thing that you do is switch. Now you can take the backlight. If you need the backlight, you can turn it on or off. You can turn the backlight on or off. We'll turn it off on for now. And this is the mode. This is very important. If you want to take it in Celsius or Fahrenheit, you need to choose here. So for now I'll be shifting it, switching it to Fahrenheit. This is the log where you can see how many temperatures we have taken. So this particular infrared thermometer can record up to 32 sets. Now let's switch to the Fahrenheit, and how you take the temperature is, this is the testing key. So you press the testing key and aim the scan head at the object, liquid or forehead. So for body you need to take the temperature of forehead or behind the earlobes. So there are two important parts of the body where you need to check the temperature. Firstly, it is the forehead and behind the earlobes. So for now, to show you guys demo, I'll be taking the scanning of my hand just to show you how this product you can work it effectively by just following simple rules. Now press the testing key, and also I'll be showing you demonstrations of later of liquid, body and object. So you need to first change the mode to Fahrenheit or Celsius. I'll be switching on the backlight for now, and then press the testing key and place it from 5 centimeter to 15 centimeters. So between that. Now, as you can see that the indication says LO, which means low. So the temperature is below 32 degrees. The indication is that the temperature is below 32 degrees. Now, if you can have a closer look at this, the temperature that it can measure is between 32 degrees and 43 degrees Celsius. Now, let's look into the other objects where the temperature is really high and we can see an alarming red color of the LED screen. Now, here I have a cup of hot water. Let's check the temperature and see what temperature it is and what indication it displays on the LED screen of infrared thermometer. Now, press the machine key and take the reading. Now, as you can see clearly, it says 97.9 degrees Celsius, and immediately the infrared thermometer LED screen goes red. So this is the alert display that it gives when a temperature is very high. So now it says 97.9 degree Fahrenheit. So this is the indication that it gives it, the entire LED screen goes red. Now, you may ask me a question on what is a normal reading in a normal body temperature. So in a typical adult, it can vary from 97 to 99 Fahrenheit, and in babies it can be little higher, that is 97.9 to 104, that is 104 Fahrenheit. Now, here are a few things that you need to know about infrared thermometers. Do not use this product when the humidity range is above 85%, and also keep it away from electricity and also electromagnetic ranges like radio, mobile, etc., as it would hamper the readings. Do not expose it to sunlight, fire, and also not to be immersed in water. At least keep in mind that it isn't under direct sunlight. Keep the measuring distance between 5 to 15 centimeter only, as told previously. If there is sweat on the forehead, or for example the person has been working in hot conditions, then in such cases please measure the temperature behind earlobes for accurate reading. You can clean the thermometer with a dry cloth and use alcohol to wipe the surface. Auto shutdown time is 7 seconds, which varies from different thermometers. When you aren't using it for long, make sure the batteries are removed to avoid damage. Considering the present scenario, infrared thermometers have been proven to be saviors. Let's fight back against this deadly monster by maintaining proper hygiene and also having certain COVID-19 essentials like these, which are our protective gears. Don't wait any longer and buy this today from our website shakedeal.com and get the best price. Stay tuned with our YouTube channel Shake Deal for more such informative videos.